In the market today, we often hear the question, will there be any new chemicals available in the future? Yeah, you could say, are they necessary? And I would say no, but of course there will be, because the chemical manufacturers, they have one interest, and that is to invent something that they can sell. Because right now, when they have to phase out the PFAS, they have nothing to sell. So yes, absolutely, they will try to find a new structure in the molecules they design. It is almost like designer drugs. When one designer drug is prohibited, then they will invent another one, and then they will sell that. And it's the same with the chemical products. It is hard to believe that they will be able to solve the essential issue here, because to extinguish fire and to actually achieve the other engineering capacities, you have to use, typically you have to use carbon and fluorine bond, or carbon and chlorine, or carbon and other halogen atom. And when you use these unnatural compositions, because the halogens, they are found in nature, but they are found as minerals, as salts. And that's perfectly okay. We need them, like natrium chloride. It's a salt that we use on our food. It's perfect. But once you combine the halogen, the fluorine or the chlorine with carbon, it becomes organic, an organic substance. And that's unnatural. And even if you design a molecule where you are not having the CF3 or CF2 structure, which is the definition of PFAS, and you have some other kind of organic fluorinated substance, it will have the same issues. Maybe you wouldn't know it in the beginning, and you can do some tests that show that it's good for this and that, but at the end, when it ends up in nature, it will have the potential of creating really, really dangerous chemicals and very harmful chemicals. A very good alternative to the chemicals, it's Inergen, because these issues will not arise. It's not possible because we are using the natural components of atmospheric air. We're not changing anything. We're just borrowing from the atmosphere and giving back again at the end. So therefore, there will be no issues where, if you have the chemicals, even though that they may in the beginning look okay, like the PFAS in the beginning, everybody believed that this was okay. Almost everybody, not everybody having chemical understanding, but at the end, when you have a synthetic, fluorinated, organic substance, it will be harmful. It does not occur with Inergen. So Inergen is a very good alternative. Inergen is a sustainable and future-proof solution where you do not have to compromise with anything regarding to your fire extinguishing need.